Fact. 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 Fact.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our web presentation. Now, this could be the most important 10 minutes that you will spend here at drupa 2012. In those 10 minutes, we're going to present to you the real facts about production efficiency and how Komori technology has benefited Komori users and why it is the most advanced in the market today. Surprisingly, we're going to start in the USA, which has not been historically renowned for short and medium print production. Here, a printer called Freeport, located in Ohio, is showing exactly how productive two highly automated System 38 16-page duplex presses can be. Let's hear some facts from David.
We evaluated a number of presses, and we went around and looked at probably every vendor that was out there in the marketplace. And the thing about Komori that stood out in our minds was it was the only press that went from form to form without an operator touching keys at all.
So the first fact is that a Komori web press is able to give very accurate and stable printing results. So let's hear from James Pilcher, Vice President of Manufacturing at Freeport, on what he thinks Komori have to offer.
Komori built a machine that was able to produce that wide gamut of products that we produce here in our plant, with a focus on that short-run market that we service.
Now, that's a market that you all must be familiar with. The fact is, you're all looking for quick changeover, flexible formats, and the technology to give you even faster delivery. Not just to handle, but to profit from shorter run lengths.
We're on track this year for about 12,000 make-readies in our press room on 2 webs. We're able to achieve color in hitting our target of about 1,200 copies across the board, and that's initial and subsequent make-readies combined. And again, that's throwing in the variety and uniqueness of our shop, which is a lot of substrates, a lot of different sizes of web, and a lot of different products that we produce. So those are some pretty good numbers. On an average day, we're hitting 40, 50 make-readies a day per press line every day.
I think we need to reconfirm those amazing facts from Freeport. Regularly, 40 to 50 make-readies a day across a wide range of varying formats and substrates. And even across these continually changing wide range of jobs, an average of just 1,200 copies to reach pass color. So, in reality, just how good is Komori process technology? Back to David.
We're talking about a system that is so highly automated that we pull up, bring it up to color, satisfy the customer, run the job, and go to the next form without any human intervention. And that's day in, day out, job in, job out.
So Freeport have given you a small insight into how they benefit from Komori's unique and outstanding press performance. So what exactly is the technology which enables Komori webs to achieve such outstanding results day in and day out? So let's look at one of those unique process features that you benefit from with both 16-page and 32-page Komori webs. Now, Komori Smart Sequence is a unique system that takes job-to-job make-ready to a new level of process control in print, allowing the make-ready process from the end of a job to the start of a next job to be started by the push of a single button. Selection of the sequence of each job can be individualized by the printer in order to accommodate the changes required in a normal production environment. and up to 10 jobs can be pre-programmed. Now this means a smoother transition from command to command as the process is now automated, resulting in a reduction in changeover time, in paper waste, and also a more predictable make-ready outcome. Now Komori is the only manufacturer to upscale that same process technology from the 16-page to 32-page presses. Now that fact is impressing users throughout the world, which is why we've installed 14 32-page Komori System 38D webs in Europe alone since it was introduced in 2006. Now VTAB Vimmerby in Sweden is another user that's taken advantage of Komori process technology on both its 16-page System 38S installed in 2007 and a recently added 32-page press. VTAB's print manager Marcus Johansson explains
I
why.
started as printer 1993, 2007. We got a new Komori 16-page, and I was one of the guys who put it up. So I have been on this trip from the start.
So having experienced Komori web technology with their 16-page System 38, how does VTAB's new 32-page compare?
Those presses are nearly the same press, only bigger diameter on the rollers, so much of it is the same.
And what do you feel, Marcus, is especially impressive?
You more often the printer is updating the KHS, the exact the press will be, so it's a big help. I mean, we go from 96 width, maybe down to 86 width of the web. Take it from KHS, and you can start up at under 1,000 copies. The first section, and the second section maybe 600 copies. It depends on the update on the KHS. That's fantastic. It's a big help.
KHS-AI is the make-ready platform for all Komori sheet and web presses. In fact, you can take a look at it in action on the Lithrone S40 sheet fed presses here on the Komori stand. Now there's no doubting the fact that the combination of KHS-AI and Smart Sequence delivers the ultimate in web process technology. But let Marcus at VTAB quickly pinpoint the productivity benefits of Smart Sequence.
Normally we take maybe 3 minutes between the sections. But if we would use a smart change, it will be under 2 minutes.
Now the latest KHS-AI system gives further accurate and efficient print startup by increasing data communication and linking all aspects of press control. So not only does KHS-AI communicate job data to various press features, it uniquely links those features. And it's able to interrogate previous press performance data in order to accurately and automatically compensate for the changing press conditions and the changes in printing material. Now the result is an unprecedented reduction in make-ready time and production paper waste. So, in reality, how does all this Komori process technology help workflow and help you into new markets? Back to VTAB.
We are so fast now, so if a customer wants to deliver the material on maybe Monday evening, we can have it finished on the next day or maybe on the night after. Depending, we have a real good bindery here also. So everything is tighter now. You can have tighter jobs with these machines. Absolutely. Yeah. We are going for jobs like should be sheet fed sometimes. It's a color all over the sheet and we can do it. It's really fast.
So you've heard the hard facts from Komori web customers with 16-page and 32-page web presses. Now listen very carefully to a final fact from David at Freeport.
I'm not a novice in the printing industry. I've been in it for 45 years at this point in time and bought this company 14 years ago. But In my career, I've been involved with 18 web press installations, so I've had the opportunity to see the full gamut over the years. And without reservation, I make this statement that the Komori web is the only press that I've ever been involved with in the press installation in my entire career that has actually run day in and day out to the rated standards of the press. We run it at full speeds every day, every shift, and that's pretty miraculous.
Now, we did say that this could be your most important 10 minutes here at drupa. So ladies and gentlemen, take the next step to find out more and to find out why Komori is and has remained the #1 manufacturer of make-ready process technology. Gentlemen, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day here at drupa. Thank you.